So, I finally hit my 1K mark on YouTube. And just like Armstrong said, this may be a small step by YouTube standards, but a giant milestone for me. So, I dedicate this video and this artwork to all of you, my viewers, subscribers, and audience. I could have never done it without you. Alongside this artwork, I have also scrolled past each and every awesome comment of yours and added them to this video. Please forgive me if I missed any of your comments, but I tried my best to collect each one of your comments and add it over here. I thought this is the least I could have done for your unwavering support you have given me. Well, I thought about doing this video just the moment I hit 1K, but things got delayed due to other projects. Now, in this artwork, the car stands for Encreate's journey in the world of YouTube, and the hot air balloon symbolizes your love and support. And with it, I believe even the impossible can become possible, like making the car fly. I really hope that you like this video and this artwork that I made for you. Thank you for staying together with me and being a part of my journey. I really appreciate it, and I hope I'll keep on bringing something new for you. See you on my next video, and till then, enjoy creating.